Imagine losing 10 hours every single week just because you didn't know the right AI prompts. That's over 500 hours a year. Yeah, that's scary. But what if I told you there's a way ChatGPT can do in minutes what usually takes hours, without you lifting a finger? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll discover 5 prompts that can literally change how you work. And trust me, one of them might make your coworkers wonder if you've secretly cloned yourself. And no, you don't need to be a tech genius. Unless your laptop already thinks it's smarter than you, in which case, yeah, you might be behind. Let's dive in before your calendar fills itself with even more wasted hours. Prompt 1. Time-saving email generator. First up, emails. We all waste time writing them, rewriting them, stressing over tone. But with ChatGPT, you just type, write a professional email to a client about a project update. Hit enter and boom! Your email is done in seconds. What used to take 30 minutes now takes less than 1. And here's the kicker. No awkward phrasing, no endless revisions. Your boss might start wondering if you hired a secret assistant, or maybe cloned yourself. But emails are just the tip of the iceberg. Wait until you see how ChatGPT handles research. Prompt 2. Instant research summaries. Prompt number 2. Instant research summaries. Ever spend hours reading article after article, only to forget the main points? Try this. Summarize the latest trends in simple bullet points. ChatGPT condenses multiple articles into one clean summary. It's like having a research assistant and no, without paying for coffee or listening to complaints about overtime. And suddenly, all that time you wasted skimming? Back in your pocket. But the next prompt? It's basically a free marketing team inside your computer. Prompt 3. Social media content ideas. Number 3. Content creation. Stuck staring at a blank screen, wondering where your creativity went? Just type, generate 10 social media post ideas for Instagram captions, TikTok scripts, even LinkedIn posts. Done. In seconds. Your followers won't know what hit them, and honestly, neither will your brain from all the time you just saved. But if you think that's impressive, the next one actually makes your task list disappear. Prompt 4. Task Automator. Prompt 4. Automating repetitive tasks. Type, create a step-by-step checklist to complete. ChatGPT organizes your entire workflow, daily to-dos, project plans, launch checklists. It's like having a manager that never sleeps and never asks for a raise. All those tiny tasks that steal your focus? Gone. And now, here comes the real game changer. Prompt 5. Creative brainstorming partner. Last, but not least, creative brainstorming. Stuck on ideas for a project, a side hustle, or even dinner? Try. Brainstorm 10 unique ideas for instant ideas, fresh angles, no creative block. You're no longer stuck. You're unstoppable. And when you combine all 5 prompts, that's 10 hours a week, maybe more, suddenly freed up. Think about that. 10 extra hours every week. That's like getting an extra day every month just by using the right prompts. The fear of wasted time is real. But now, you have control. Because every minute you hesitate, someone else is using AI to move ahead. And this isn't just about productivity. It's about freedom. Freedom to focus on what actually matters. And if your computer starts asking for coffee, congratulations, you've officially leveled up. Now don't stop here. If you really want to level up your workflow, click the video on your screen right now. Free AI tools that replace Photoshop. No subscriptions, no complicated setups, just more time back in your week. Your future self will thank you and might even high-five you through the screen. And remember, if your laptop starts doing your chores, don't panic. It's just getting ambitious.